How are you today? How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you.
What do you do? What do you do?
I am a student. I am a student.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 3. It's 3.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry. Yes, I am hungry.
What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat?
I like to eat pizza. I like to eat pizza.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you go to school? Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school every day. Yes, I go to school every day.
What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
Do you like animals? Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals. Yes, I love animals.
Where do you go shopping? Where do you go shopping?
I go shopping at the mall. I go shopping at the mall.
How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here?
I have lived here for 5 years. I have lived here for 5 years.
Can you cook? Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook. Yes, I can cook.
What do you usually do in the morning? What do you usually do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. I brush my teeth and eat breakfast.
What do you want to do tomorrow? What do you want to do tomorrow?
I want to go shopping. I want to go shopping.
Where is your school? Where is your school?
My school is near the park. My school is near the park.
Where is the nearest bank? Where is the nearest bank?
It's next to the supermarket. It's next to the supermarket.
What kind of movies do you like? What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies. I like comedy movies.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor.
Wow, that's amazing. It was nice talking to you. Wow, that's amazing. It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Nice talking to you too.
Leave a nice comment and follow me, bro.